cause lizards and stuff die down there in the south?
Oh, everywhere we went, it was iguanas lying on the floor.
Wow.
Wait,
The
what?
buzzer. Yeah, the buzzards was picking them up, like picking
Oh
at them.
wow.
Wait,
Everywhere
they
you seen
can't
the
take that
buzzards,
cold?
yeah, like if it hit like 30 degrees, just 40 degrees, they go into a deep sleep and they'll fall right out the trees. It's like literally
Wow.
raining. It's raining iguanas, literally.
Ew,
They
that's
showed it. They were
nasty.
all over the place.
Because
And
I
some
had
guy
a
was going
time when
around
I was at
picking
the
them up.
park and I was standing under the tree and one fell on my head and I was like, what was that?
No,
Yo, I ain't know
uh-uh.
what it was until I grabbed at it. In the minute when I touched it, I already knew what it was.